Ever dreamed of owning a piece of the Australian property market? But maybe the idea of buying a whole house seems out of reach. Well, you're not alone. That's where the Raiz Property Fund comes in. But before we dive in, let's tackle a burning question: why invest in property in the first place? Historically, property investing has been a popular choice for Australians. Why? Well, it offers a few key advantages. Rental income. Landlords can generate consistent cash flow through rental income, providing a steady stream of passive income. Capital growth. Property values tend to appreciate over time, potentially leading to significant capital gains when you eventually sell. Inflation hedge. Property values often rise with inflation, helping to protect your investment from the eroding effects of rising prices. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks and shares, property is a tangible asset that you can see and touch. This can provide a sense of security and stability for many investors. Now, while the idea of directly owning property is appealing, it comes with its own set of challenges. High entry costs. Buying a property requires a significant upfront investment, often including a hefty deposit and closing costs. Maintenance costs. Property ownership involves ongoing expenses, such as repairs, maintenance, and potential vacancy periods. Management time. Managing tenants, dealing with maintenance issues, and staying on top of rental regulations can be time-consuming. This is where the Raiz Property Fund can be a game-changer. It allows you to gain exposure to the Australian property market without the hassle of direct ownership. Essentially, the Raiz Property Fund pools money from multiple investors to acquire a diversified portfolio of Australian properties. These can include residential properties, apartments, townhouses, and single-family homes. Commercial properties, office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties. By investing in the fund, you become a part owner of this diverse property portfolio. This means you can gain exposure to property growth, benefit from the potential appreciation of the underlying property assets, receive rental income distributions, share in the rental income generated by the properties in the fund, diversify your portfolio, reduce investment risk by investing in a range of property types across different locations. Access professional management. The fund is managed by experienced professionals who handle all aspects of property ownership, including acquisition, management, and maintenance. Key benefits of investing in the Raiz Property Fund. Low entry point. Invest with smaller amounts of money, making it accessible to a wider range of investors. Diversification. Spread your investment across multiple properties, reducing the risk associated with investing in a single property. Liquidity. Generally, you can easily buy and sell your shares in the fund, providing greater liquidity compared to direct property ownership. Convenience. Enjoy the benefits of property investment without the hassle of managing properties yourself. The Raiz Property Fund may be a suitable investment option for you if you're looking to gain exposure to the Australian property market. You're seeking to diversify your investment portfolio. You prefer a hands-off approach to property investment. You're looking for a potentially higher return than traditional savings accounts. Investment risks. As with any investment, the Raiz Property Fund carries inherent risks, including the possibility of capital loss. Fees. The fund will have associated fees, such as management fees and performance fees. Liquidity. While generally liquid, there may be limitations on how quickly you can sell your shares in the fund. It's important to conduct thorough research and consider your own financial situation and investment objectives before making any investment decisions. This information is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. If you're interested in learning more about the Raiz Property Fund, I encourage you to visit the Raiz website for further information and to speak with a qualified financial advisor to discuss whether this investment option is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.